Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizal Rafli. I will show review my room. This is my motorcycle look, and this is my table. This is my book, and this is my window. This is bed, and this is my bed and my fan. This is my car. This is my purse. This is my USB styling pomade, and this is my keyboard, and this is my laptop. This is my deodorant, and this is my mouse. This is my charger HP, and this is my stop contact, my mirror, and this is my cupboard. This is my jacket. This is my dress and my t-shirt, and this is my ruler. This is my lamp castle. This is my tip egg, and this is my spidol snowman, and this is my pen, and this is my toilet. Okay guys, thank you for review my room. Maybe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next video.